G'day, welcome to the shed. Tools are down. It's been a productive day. Sanded a bunch of wood, but I got a new toy. New tool, a new way of ruining wood. So it's time to celebrate, because not only is it a tool I need, but it's in the right colour. And so I'm going to unwrap this thing slowly, sexy, and enjoy myself. And we're going to have a look at what's inside this rubber. I haven't unwrapped this yet, so I'm pretty chuffed, pretty excited. And I'm going to match this with a Cohiba 606 and a Glenlivet Founders Reserve. Let's get into it, shall we? What's in the box? Well, not box. I'm pretty excited about today. Look at this thing. It's ginormous. Oh, that's exciting. Look at it. That's very exciting. Oh, don't knock the scotch off. Oh, it's out for that matter. Oh. I used to have a little Ryobi bandsaw, you know, sort of about this big. This makes that look very, very little. Yeah. This is awesome. Oh, fence. Ooh. Bandsaw fence. Ooh. Quick attach. Lock and play. Hey. Original manual. Oh, dude. I love original colour pictures. Wow. What era is this from? No one gives you a manual with colour pictures. No one gives you a manual. That's awesome. I love that. Cast iron top needs a bit of a clean, obviously. It's been in this dude's shed for a while, from what I can guess. Wow. That's fantastic. Let's put the fire in the... Sorry, the plastic in the fire. But look at this thing. Jeepers. This is gorgeous. And it's the right brand of bandsaw. My favourite brand of bandsaw. Okay, that may not be true, but for my budget and price point, this does the job. Yeah, I'm kind of chuffed. That looks awesome. It's got a good fence. Adjustable gauge here. That's good. Quick set fence. Fence isn't the coolest of fences. That's not bad. Good size button. Yeah. How do we go for here? Huh? Too. Bright orange Triton Bandsaw. Look at this thing. Full length blade guard. Which is good. It's got the roller stop at the back there. Where's the depth adjustment? Depth adjustment there. There we go. Tension for various blades. Good, it tells us what to do. As you can see, yeah, the tail's a bit rusty. That's alright, we all know how to clean up a blade table by now. Oh, I'm just noticing that this could be frustrating for blade changes, but then I checked under here and I noticed that it's just 4 quick turning ones, so you can get it off and on fairly promptly, and then this just swivels out the way. Look at that, isn't that clever? So swivel it out the way, swivel it back, swivel it out the way, swivel it back. We have a handle here. What's this for? This is the handle for the lifting, because it has wheels on the back. So when you want to move it, you lift it up. Isn't that exciting? Alright, we've got variable speed. Oh my lord, we can change the speed. That is exciting. What does that adjust? Oh, it adjusts a little wheel inside there. That tightens up and loosens up. That's very exciting. Let's have a look at that. See that wheel? Oh, lower guides also. Just loving that brass finish there. That's cute. Dust extraction, big old hole for dust extraction. That's good. Big ass motor, love a big ass motor, that's good. And wheels. Now wheel adjustment on the back. Some instruction as to what it is. What do we got here? We've got an 800 watt motor. So that's just under the horses, I'm assuming. Is it? Someone will tell me, I'm sure. TRBS 12. Triton Bandsaw 12 inch. There we go. Look at that. And a very curvy look to it. I like that. That's cool. Yeah, I'm chuffed. I'm ridiculously chuffed. It's from the first time. Actually find a little key to pull the handle out, see? And then it comes all the way out for easy manoeuvring because now you've got a leverage point. That's really clever. Oh, very cute. Very cute. Well, me and my new friend are going to get acquainted over some scotch and a cigar. Hope you enjoyed that. Look at it, it's huge.
Why are you smoking again?
Because I started this one.